Welcome to my video, Creating Modules in D2L BrightSpace. The first thing you want to do is to make sure you're signed in. Next, click on your course. Then, you want to click on the Content tab located at the top bar. Then you want to scroll down and then click the Add a Module box, which is on the left side of the screen at the bottom. You want to type in the name of your module. Click the Enter button when you are done typing in the name of your module. After hitting Enter, your module is now complete. Thank you for watching.